Hello everyone and welcome to our financial update on Suzlon Energy. Today we have some exciting news to share about the company's recent performance and its impressive financial comeback. Over the past 5 quarters, Suzlon Energy has shown remarkable resilience and growth, reflecting a strong recovery trajectory. This period has been marked by significant improvements in various financial metrics, which we will delve into shortly. Let's dive into the numbers and see what has driven this impressive turnaround. Over the last 5 quarters, Suzlon Energy has consistently increased its operating profits. This consistent growth in operating profits is a testament to the company's strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies. This trend indicates not only improved efficiency, but also effective cost management strategies. By optimizing their operations and reducing unnecessary expenditures, Suzlon has managed to enhance its profitability significantly. The company's focus on operational excellence is clearly paying off. Their commitment to streamlining processes and enhancing productivity has yielded positive results, contributing to their financial success. In parallel, we've seen a steady increase in sales. This growth in sales is a clear indication of the rising demand for Suzlon's renewable energy solutions. This growth is a positive signal of rising demand for renewable energy solutions, particularly in the wind energy sector, where Suzlon is a key player. The company's innovative products and services have resonated well with customers, driving sales upward. The company's ability to capture market share is commendable. By leveraging their expertise and market knowledge, Suzlon has successfully expanded its footprint in the renewable energy market. The profit after tax has also shown a remarkable upward trend. This increase in PAT is a strong indicator of the company's profitability and overall financial health. This increase is a strong indicator of the company's profitability and overall financial health, providing a solid foundation for future investments and expansion. With a healthier bottom line, Suzlon is well positioned to reinvest in its business and pursue new growth opportunities. Finally, we can't overlook the consistent rise in revenues. The company's ability to generate higher revenues quarter after quarter is a testament to its strong market position and effective sales strategies. Increased sales and effective cost controls have contributed to this growth, positioning Suzlon Energy favorably in the competitive renewable energy landscape. Their strategic focus on cost management and revenue generation has paid off handsomely. In summary, Suzlon Energy is demonstrating robust growth across key financial metrics. Operating profits, sales, PAT, and revenues have all been on the rise for the past 5 quarters. This consistent performance underscores the company's resilience and strategic acumen. This performance not only reflects the company's resilience, but also its potential for future growth in the renewable energy sector. Suzlon's ability to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities bodes well for its long-term prospects. Thank you for joining us for this update on Suzlon Energy. We hope you found this analysis insightful and encouraging. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis in the coming weeks. We will continue to monitor Suzlon's progress and provide you with the latest updates on their financial performance and strategic initiatives. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.